5 Inspirational Bird Quotes, Part 2. A bird sitting in a tree is never afraid of the branch breaking, because her trust is not in the branch, but in her own wings. Author unknown. A bird does not change its feathers because the weather is bad. African proverb. Hope is like a bird that senses the dawn and carefully starts to sing while it is still dark. Unknown author. Every bird, every tree, every flower reminds me what a blessing and privilege it is just to be alive. Marty Rubin. Birds sing after a storm. Why shouldn't people feel as free to delight in whatever remains to them? Rose F. Kennedy.